बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा बारकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Students, I hope you all are fine and welcome to the lesson number 1 from Iqra English book 2. Students, today we are going to start our new book which you can see on the board, and today we are going to attend the first lesson of this book, and which type of things we are going to learn from this book. You can see, first of all, we are going to work on our grammar. We are going to improve our grammatical skills. Okay, कुछ ग्रामर हमने फर्स्ट टर्म में पढ़ी है, अब कुछ ग्रामेटिकल स्किल्स हम सेकेंड टर्म में पढ़ेंगे इंशाल्लाह वजल। एंड द ग्रामर दैट यू विल लर्न इन दिस एज ना, ये आपकी मैट्रिक तक हेल्प आउट करेगा। ठीक है, अभी आप लोग जो ग्रामर सीखेंगे वो आपको मैट्रिक तक और उसके बाद भी क्लासेस तक आपको बहुत हेल्प मिलेगी। ओके, सो यू ऑल हैव टू फोकस ऑन योर ग्रामेटिकल स्किल्स। Then the second portion that we are going to learn from this book is reading. Okay, you know reading is a part of your oral paper also, so reading is really very important. We will inshallah focus on the reading. Then listening and speaking. You will listen and will try to speak in English. Okay, maximum material is given. Excellent, there is excellent material inside this book related to listening and speaking activities. So inshallah we are going to improve our listening and speaking skills. And the last one, which is writing, we are going to improve our creative writing. You know, creative writing means if any topic is given to you, you will try to make sentences by your own. Okay, so these are the, you can say, main objectives of the book that we are going to start today. So let's start our today's lesson. Your book should be opened in front of you. Okay, my dear students, before starting our unit number 1, I have a question for you, and you all have to imagine. Okay, आपने imagine करना है that you are in class. Okay, you have to imagine that you are in classroom. Try to tell me the names of the things which are present in the classroom. Pause the video and make a list of the things which you can see in the classroom. Okay, students. Okay, dear students, I hope you have made a list of the things which you can see in the classroom. For example, I also have made a list. You can see colors in the classroom. You can see eraser, sharpener. You can see a fan in the classroom, pencil, scale, ink pot. Then you can see duster. You can see chair, book, and students. Okay, so these are the things that you can see in the classroom. Okay, this is related to our today's topic that we are going to start. This activity is related to our today's topic. So you know, do you know what is another name for all the things we can give? What is the grammatical name? As I told you, that we are going to improve our grammatical skills from Iqra English book 2. So what we can say these things grammatically? What is the grammatical name of all the things? Nouns. Nouns. Okay, naming nouns are naming words. Nouns are naming words. Names of persons, names of places, animals, and things are called nouns. For example, it's a person noun, thing noun, thing noun. These all are thing nouns. Okay, name of person, place, animal, or things are called nouns. Nouns are naming words. Okay, name of anything, name of any person, name of any animal, name of any place is called noun. Is it clear, students? So let's start our topic from the book. Open your books in front of you and take your pencils in your hands. Okay, my dear students, you will write your name, GR number, and class section here. And these 3 blanks must be filled by yourself. Okay, now let's start today's lesson. Okay, my dear students, we have turned our pages towards unit number 1, and you will mark today's date here. It's 26th of January 2021 and the topic is noun. As I told you earlier, nouns tell us the names of persons, places, animals and things. Is it clear, students? Nouns tells us the names of persons, places, animals and things. Nouns are naming words. Name of any person, name of any place, name of any animal, name of anything is called noun. For example, barber. Barber means hairdresser. Okay? Who cuts hair. Teacher, doctor, professor, lecturer, engineer. Okay? All are persons and these all are person nouns. Barber. Fish, ये कौन सा noun है? Very good. Animal noun, it's the name of animal. Airport, which noun? Very good. Place noun, excellent. Bangles, bangle, which noun? Thing noun, very good, excellent. So person noun, animal noun, place noun and thing noun. Naming words. Nouns are naming words. Name of anything, name of any person, name of any place, name of anything is called noun. You know what is meaning of person? Persons, like any person, mother, father, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, friend, teacher, neighbor, they all are persons. Okay? There are many animals and the names of the animals are noun. Okay, animal nouns. So you will keep in your minds that nouns are naming words. Nouns are naming words. Keep in your mind. Now let's make a list of all the nouns according to the definition. Okay students, another activity related to our today's topic, as you can see on the board, nouns tells us about the persons. You can see the persons in here, like boy, girl, for example, or mother or cousins. Persons. Okay? Places, names of places, school, playground, names of animals. It's cow, elephant and dolphin. And things, telephone, key and star. So nouns tells us about the names of persons, places, animals and things. In this way you will make a list, okay, of person nouns, place nouns, animal nouns and things nouns at your home, and you will practice this structure at your home. Clear students? Now let's move over towards book and do the next activity. Okay my dear students, it's our next activity. Let's understand and what we are going to do in this activity. Read the sentences and color the nouns by the given codes. Codes mean hints, and you are given the colors red, green, pink and sky blue. These colors you will use by in order to solve this activity. So what we have to do, we will do the green color for person nouns. Okay, we will do the pink color for places nouns. It's I guess a red color for animal nouns and sky blue color for things nouns. Okay, अब हमें खुद से सेंटेंसेस को रीड करके ये एक्टिविटी को सॉल्व करना है. Clear students? So let's start reading the sentences. The spider is making a small web. The spider is making a small web. Can you guess the nouns from here? एक से ज़्यादा nouns भी आप लोग कर सकते हैं. ओके, एक से ज़्यादा nouns को भी हम कलर कर सकते हैं. अगर सेंटेंस में एक से ज़्यादा nouns गिवन है तो हम वो दोनों कलर करेंगे. क्लियर? So spider, it's animal and web. It's a animal noun and web. Web means जाला. ठीक है, मकड़ी का जाला. It's thing noun. So we will do sky blue color for web and we will do red color for spider. Clear students? Let's solve this activity side by side. In this way you will solve this activity. Next one, the patient visits the clinic. Patient, which noun? Very good, person noun. ठीक है, पर्सन, पेशेंट भी तो पर्सन को बोल सकते हैं. क्लिनिक, ये कौन सा नाउन है? प्लेस नाउन. वेरी गुड. इनमें हम कलेक्ट करेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन कोड्स. नेक्स्ट वन, द लेबरर्स हैव न्यू स्पेड्स. वेरी गुड. नाउन ढूंढे इसमें से. वेरी गुड. लेबरर्स, लेबरर्स आर द पर्सन हु वर्क. ठीक है, आउटसाइड, मजदूर. ठीक है, ये पर्सन नाउन हो जाएगा. एंड स्पेड्स, आप लोग देख सकते हैं, दे आर हैविंग स्पेड्स इन देयर हैंड्स. ठीक है, स्पेड्स कौन सा नाउन है? वेरी गुड, थिंग नाउन. सो वी विल डू द कलर अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन कोड्स. नेक्स्ट वन, द ड्राइवर इज ड्राइविंग अ कार. वेरी गुड. ड्राइवर इज पर्सन नाउन, कार इज थिंग नाउन. वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट वन, द cobbler इज mending shoes. cobbler, person noun, shoes, thing noun. Very good. Next one, the cat is drinking milk. Cat is animal noun and milk is thing noun. Very good. Now we will do the colors according to the given codes. So my dear students, in this way you will do the colors to the given nouns according to the given codes, and you will practice the structure at your home. Okay students, I hope you are enjoying the lesson from Iqra English book 2, and you have to make a list of the nouns which are present at your home. Okay students, inshallah we will meet tomorrow with another interesting lesson. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.